Hey there, are you ready for today's explainer? Because today we're going on a hunt for literally the sneakiest sound in the entire English language. I'm talking about the TH sound. See, it's a super tricky shapeshifter, and it absolutely loves to disguise itself as a T or an S when you aren't paying close attention.
So, I've got to ask, can you catch this trickiest of sounds? Do you have what it takes to master it and stop this shapeshifter right in its tracks?
Section 1. The Secret Tongue Trick. Let's master the TH sound.
All right, to beat this shapeshifter, you're going to need a special move, and it's actually pretty easy. Step 1, just open your mouth a tiny bit. Step 2, peek just the very tip of your tongue out between your top and bottom front teeth. But hey, make sure you don't bite down. And step 3, blow a steady stream of air, like this. If you can feel the air flowing like a gentle little breeze, you are doing it perfectly.
Section 2. Word-changing magic. Watch out for T and S.
See, if you forget our secret trick, it actually causes word magic. For example, without sticking your tongue out, the number 3 magically turns into a big wooden tree covered in leaves. No way, right?
And you really got to watch out, because without that TH airflow, taking a nice, relaxing, warm bath magically turns into a creepy, flying bat. Yikes!
Or what if you accidentally use an S sound instead of our secret TH trick? Well then, a giant, thick book suddenly sounds like a sick book. Oh no, get that book some medicine! So the absolutely crucial point here is keeping that tongue tip out. Otherwise, using a T sound will magically turn your leg's thigh into a necktie.
And always remember to keep the air flowing. We definitely don't want the word both to just sail away and turn into a boat.
Section 3. The Ultimate Listening Challenge. The Final Boss Level.
Welcome to the final boss level. It is time to use those ears. I want you to listen super closely and shout your guess right at the screen. Which word am I saying? Are you ready? Math. Did you hear it? Let me say it one more time. Math. What do you think it is?
It's math. Yes. If you guessed math with that smooth TH sound, you win. Massively huge congratulations to you. You used the secret trick and completely defeated the shapeshifter.
You did an absolutely amazing job today. Keep practicing that secret tongue trick all day long, okay? So, what other word magic can you find hiding in your favorite books? Have so much fun hunting for them, and we will see you on the next explainer.